What did the farmer and his wife want for their son? किसान और उसकी पत्नी अपने बेटे के लिए क्या चाहते थे? Option is A. Love, B. Pet, C. Food, D. Toys. Answer is option B. Pet. What was the pet chosen for the son? बेटे के लिए कौन सा पालतू जानवर चुना गया? Option is A. Cat, बिल्ली, B. Dog, कुत्ता, C. Crow, कौवा, D. Mongoose, नेवला. Answer is option D. Mongoose, नेवला. How did the farmer's wife feel about leaving the baby with the mongoose? किसान की पत्नी को बच्चे को नेवले के पास छोड़ना कैसा लगा? Option is A. Fear, डर, B. Anger, गुस्सा, C. Joy, खुशी, D. Trust, विश्वास. Answer is option A. Fear, डर. What did the farmer see on the mongoose when his wife returned? जब किसान की पत्नी वापस आई तो उसने नेवले पर क्या देखा? Option is A. Blood, B. Mud, कीचड़, C. Honey, D. Fur, छाल. Answer is option A. Blood, रक्त. What did the farmer see on the mongoose when his wife returned? जब किसान की पत्नी वापस आई तो उसने नेवले पर क्या देखा? Option is A. Blood, B. Honey, C. Mud, D. Fur. Answer is option A. Blood. Why did the wife scream when she saw the mongoose? नेवले को देखकर पत्नी क्यों चिल्लाई? Option is A. Fear, B. Joy, C. Surprise, D. Anger. Answer is option A. Fear. What did the wife assume the mongoose had done? पत्नी ने सोचा कि नेवले ने क्या किया है? Option is A. Played, B. Slept, C. Killed, D. Cleaned. Answer is option C. Killed. What did the wife use to attack the mongoose? नेवले पर हमला करने के लिए पत्नी ने क्या प्रयोग किया? Option is A. Knife, चाकू, B. Stick, छड़ी, C. Basket, टोकरी, D. Rope, रस्सी. Answer is option C. Basket, टोकरी. What did the wife find near the cradle after attacking the mongoose? नेवले पर हमला करने के बाद पत्नी को पालने के पास क्या मिला? Option is A. Snake, B. Apple, C. Book, D. Toy. Answer is option A. Snake. How did the wife feel when she realized her mistake? जब पत्नी को अपनी गलती का एहसास हुआ तो उसे कैसा महसूस हुआ? Option is A. Joy, B. Sad, C. Angry, D. Relieved, चिंता मुक्त. Answer is option B. Sad. What was the mongoose doing when the wife found it dead? जब पत्नी ने नेवला को मरा हुआ पाया तो वह क्या कर रहा था? Option is A. Sleeping, B. Eating, C. Playing, D. Crying. Answer is option A. Sleeping. What did the wife do after realizing the truth about the mongoose? नेवले की सच्चाई जानकर पत्नी ने क्या किया? Option is A. Laughed, B. Cried, C. Slept, D. Ate. Answer is option B. Cried. Who was fast asleep when the wife returned? जब पत्नी लौटी तो कौन गहरी नींद में सो रहा था? Option is A. Farmer, B. Baby, C. Mongoose, D. Dog. Answer is option B. Baby. What did the wife do after crying? रोने के बाद पत्नी ने क्या किया? Option is A. Feed, B. Sleep, C. Play, D. Leave. Answer is option A. Feed. What emotion did the wife feel after understanding the situation? स्थिति को समझने के बाद पत्नी के मन में क्या भावना आई? Option is A. Joy, B. Regret, C. Fear, D. Anger. Answer is option B. Regret. What lesson can be learned from this story? इस कहानी से क्या सीख मिलती है? Option is A. Trust your instincts. अपनी प्रवृत्ति पर भरोसा रखें. B. Act hastily. जल्दबाजी करो. C. Fear can cloud judgment. डर फैसले पर असर डाल सकता है. D. Assume the worst. सबसे बुरा मान लीजिए. Answer is option C. Fear can cloud judgment. डर फैसले पर असर डाल सकता है. Fill in the blanks. The farmer and his wife wanted a for their son. Option is A. Dog, B. Pet, C. Cat, D. Bird. Answer is option B. Pet. The farmer brought home a as a pet. Option is A. Frog, B. Fish, C. Mongoose, D. Duck. Answer is option C. Mongoose. The farmer's wife felt afraid to leave the baby with the. Option is A. Lion, B. Bear. C. Mice. D. Mongoose. Answer is option D. Mongoose. The wife returned home to find the mongoose with on it. Option is A. Mud. B. Blood. C. Honey. D. Milk. Answer is option B. Blood. Mistakenly, the wife thought the mongoose had harmed the. Option is A. Baby. B. Dog. C. Cat. D. Cow. Answer is option A. Baby. She attacked the mongoose with A. Option is A. Stick. B. Knife. C. Basket. D. Rope. Answer is option C. Basket. Near the cradle, the wife found A. Option is A. Snake. B. Frog. C. Mouse. D. Lizard.
Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then comment the answer in comment box.
Upon realizing her mistake, the wife felt. Option is A. Happy. B. Sad. C. Angry. D. Excited. Answer is option B. Sad. The mongoose was found when the truth was discovered. Option is A. Eating. B. Sleeping. C. Playing. D. Crying. Answer is option B. Sleeping. The wife cried upon seeing the mongoose. Option is A. Dead. B. Alive. C. Sleeping. D. Injured. Answer is option A. Dead. The baby was when the wife returned home. Option is A. Awake. B. Sleeping. C. Crying. D. Laughing. Answer is option B. Sleeping. After crying, the wife went to the baby. Option is A. Play with. B. Feed. C. Bathe. D. Change. Answer is option B. Feed. The wife felt after understanding her mistake. Option is A. Joyful. B. Regretful. C. Angry. D. Indifferent. Answer is option B. Regretful. The story teaches us that can cloud judgment. Option is A. Fear. B. Happiness. C. Anger. D. Excitement. Answer is option A. Fear. The wife acted in her haste. Option is A. Carefully. B. Thoughtfully. C. Rashly. D. Patiently. Answer is option C. Rashly.